Hello, this is a short video to show you how to get started in Google Docs. If you'll notice, we've gone to www.google.com/a/students.calschools.org for our students to log in. And I am going to log in as a student using their first name and last name and then putting in their password and click sign in. And you see we come to the dashboard where the student can get to their email or calendar. We're going to go to Google Docs and click on the Docs link. And this takes us to their home folder where their docs are listed. It shows everything they've already started on. Today you want to know how to start a new document, so we go to Create New right here under the purple cal, and we go to Document, and you'll see Google Docs pops open a new window for us with a blank word processing document. You can see here it says Untitled Document, and if we click in that box we can name this document. We're going to name this Practice because that's what it is for today, just a practice sheet, and say OK. And you now see the name here listed right by Google Docs. We still have nothing typed. You can see the student's name up here so you know which account they're in. And right here you can see it says saved. A few seconds ago it saved this document, saved the name, saved it in her file in her home folder. And it will do this every 30 seconds or so. So save is not even an option under file because it does it automatically for you. Let's type a few sentences and you can watch. This is a practice word processing document, and you can see it says save now. If I move my cursor over that, it saves it, or I can keep typing, and if I pause to think or pause to talk to someone else or pause to work on a different project for a moment, it will save it automatically. You can see this is a lot like Word in that there are certain things under File, New items, Open, make a copy is something that the students might need to do at some point, especially if you share a document with them. And there's also Print and Print Preview under File. Under Edit, there's the usual cut, copy, and paste. If you have something highlighted, you get the choice of cutting it, copying it, or pasting something you've already copied. Under View, you have some different options here. Under Insert, you can add things like pictures, a web link, a drawing that you've made, and a few other items as well. And then the standard Format tab that you're probably used to is also here. So if we keep typing, you can see how Google Docs works just like Word, or Apple works. You can also see a red dotted line here. Google doesn't recognize this as a word, so it's suggesting that you might need to spell check that. Let's go ahead and actually spell something wrong. Okay, so we have a choice here. Something, if I right click with a mouse, it would give me suggestions if it knew of something. Or if I hold down the Control key on a Mac and do a single click, I get the same options. Let's try wrong. Nope, it's not recognizing that either. Probably because I messed it up too incorrectly. There's my option of the right word to put in that spot. And here it's not recognizing the word. So if I just make my adjustments, you can see that I move on. It does not check punctuation, so the students will have to do that. Okay, and you can see it saved a few seconds ago, and it's saved again now. And when I'm done with this document, done for now, all I need to do is close this tab that I was in, and I'm back in her main home folder here, home window, and here's the practice sheet we worked on. If I want to work on it some more, I click on it, and it pops open in a new window, and I can work on it again. And then there's other options here under Create New, and we'll talk about those in a different video. Thanks.